this season is done. I think this season is done. As Man City have drawn twice, two consecutive draw cannot give you a title in a season where Arsenal has refused to drop a point. Arsenal are so stingy with dropping a point. When that window gap opened, it went and drew that match. That your first draw, second draw, that is what ended your title hope. So I think we're gonna have a brand new name in the you're gonna have a brand new name on the trophy, and Arsenal is finally going to end their about 20, is it 23 years or more title drought, EPL title drought, and Ateta is finally going to deliver the goods to Arsenal. He told them believe the process, and they believe the process, they trusted the process, and I think the process is going to finally pay off this season. Arsenal is going to win this league title. Nothing is going to happen, and some people are going to shave their head. Sad news, very bad news. I make her off the camera.